I don't know if you guys remember this S2000. This is Chubb's S2000. Yeah, you good. You guys remember Chubb's with the Type R EG hatch? He's had this S2000 for a while now. He's been building it. It was all black. He just got it painted. About to put bags, wheels. This thing looking super good. So, as you guys can tell from the title, today I'm going to a subscriber's high school. So he hit me up and was like, hey, it would be cool if he was to come to my high school. We're having like a car show. So he goes to the school called Automotive. It's over here. And I was like, sure, yeah. I'm not really doing it today, so it's from like 4 to 9. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna start in like an hour. We're gonna get that late anyways, because my boy Andrew's gonna come through. And then my boy Drew is gonna come through also. So they're both gonna be here. So yeah, we're just gonna go right now and wash the cars and should be good. So I got Drew here. I didn't even show you guys he washed his car already. Got Chubbs. We about to meet my boy Andrew over there and a couple other more people. Y'all ready?
Yeah, we out of here.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna park over this way. Got to the automotive school. Got a whole bunch of subscribers in the school, didn't even know. Got Chubb's S2000, got a whole bunch of people here. Good ass turnout. Julio just showed up right now, so I'm about to bring him in right now.
Oh, I feel like it'd be a pain in the ass.
Get over here now. Yo, why you don't throw a front lip on this?
You see how low it is? That shit gonna be gone in like 2 days.
It's alright, you got shmoney, homie.
No, I'm broke.
You got shmoney, son. A freshly painted S2000.
Mood.
Look at one.
We freezing out here. So it's like an automotive high school. Something for the kids, so I can't buy a subscriber, told me to come by. So it's crazy. There's a whole bunch of like subscribers out here. I didn't even know. Everybody freezing. Got Julio in there, bundled up. I was in here bundled up. Huh? What's going on, man? What's going on?
Oh, let me get a picture of you,
Yeah.
bro.
Yo, Chubbs. Chubbs, hold this.
Loco, okay? Estamos aquí en Versailles. You hear what it? You like my brother?
Now we're ready vlogging right now. Here. You want to face it? You want to take a selfie or you want to? How you want to do it?
Whatever, brother. Like this.
That's love. That's love. That's love.
Loco, Brooklyn, Bronx, all the B's with the Q in the end, whatever.
Yeah.
BBQs up in
Yeah.
there. Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, we here. Damn, but this shit, yo, I be watching, always clean it out, man. I got them 2-year-olds working on it right now. Yeah, Project got me.
You say what up to the camera?
Yo.
Yeah.
I bought it this year.
Yeah, this one was automatic. This one was automatic.
That was automatic too. Bro, it's hard to get like this thing. Nobody's letting those go, especially that clean. Oh my God.
But this one was painted though. This car looked nothing like this car was like everything was. That's what money look like. You see the snail? Stop playing with him.
Everything is in front of the building.
You see what money look like? You see the snail? Off the Henny on a Friday.
This is a work in progress. Like, they showed it to my art center.
Nah, I don't know who owns this though. They got money. Probably those guys. My guy Fede Jew.
It's my oil. My oil is fucking 24.
Nah, the tip my LEDs are mad bright. So let me show you how bright they are. Alright, so it's 50 degrees. Julio got a sweater. I got a sweater. My man Top got the, what is this? My son got the fish. Got the fish jacket. He got the work fish jacket.
Came out. My car was at the body shop.
My man right here is warm. My man's right here. Look, both the shoes are nice and warm.
We are freezing our ass off.
My man's right here. He loves this one. I'm freezing right now. I am freezing.
I didn't want to put the hood latch back.
We can do one little two-step to get the car warm, and everybody comes out here. Everybody. Man, Julio, freezing right now. They can't even see you, but we freezing right now. They got the K-Series on today.
Definitely Turbo K this.
Turbo K?
Yeah, the Cressida shit. Oh, it's a little rusty.
All right, here's Luke on the mic.
Yo, so if I did this to my car, if that's to my art camera.
Oh, why is it smoking so much?
All right.
Okay. Okay, my bad. Get a fuel pump? Get a fuel pump? Okay. I'm about to say I need some light. You can't even see this. This is the 1J?
I think so, yeah. Oh no, this is a BBTI.
Over here, a couple drift niggas, the same niggas that pulled through, they went out to intersection, dude, going into the intersection. That's what they're trying to regulate. You see? But as far
Yeah, you better go crazy. We can't be part of the movie?
you guys send it. Hold on.
Send it?
Yeah, send it.
I gotta send it one time?
Yeah, one time. Send it.